Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop multi Uber Eats order at once on your iPhone. First, open the Uber Eats app right away. Tap order at the bottom of the screen. If you see more than one active order, tap each order by one. If the restaurant hasn't started preparing the food yet, tap cancel order. Do this as fast as possible because once food gets started, cancellation may not be available. To stop multi orders in the future, you need to add a security step. Open the setting app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Face ID and password. Make sure Face ID is turned on and scroll down and make sure iTunes and Apple Store and Wallet and Apple Pay are enabled for Face ID. This force Face ID before payment go through. After that, open the Uber Eats app, tap the account and then wallet. Here you can see remove save card or switch to payment method that requires confirmation. This helps prevent one tap payment. If you are using group order, multi people can add their item quickly. To stop this in the group order, once items are added, don't leave it open longer than needed. Group order can look like multiple orders if not managed carefully. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.